welcome to this little demo of Mystic Diviner. This got created because it was a little in-house tool I created just for fun to help me choose who was going to kick off our morning stand-up every day here at Alchemy Group. I wanted to make sure I didn't choose the same person twice in a row and that it was completely random. So I wrote a little tool that would do that, and then I thought, hey, this is kind of cool. I think I'll share it with the rest of the community. And this was born. And um, really, it's quite simple. All it does is use some little animation frames to keep loading something again and again and again, an image, in order to get that sort of feeling of that little blue triangle moving around inside the 8 ball. And then it sets a global variable on a layout, and it's done. So I'm going to click this Don't Show Again button, and that's going to close that window. You don't have to click that. There's also a close box on that window. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and kick off an answer. And all you have to do is just click on this little button right here. And it says it's asking the spirits. And it says it's very doubtful that whatever you were asking it about was going to happen. That's because I used all of the exact answers that the Magic 8 Ball toy actually gives. So it's a direct emulation of that in its current state. But all those answers can be changed at any given time, and I'm going to show you how right now. So I'm going to go to a different layout here, and that is the answers layout. And you can see that here are all the answers that a Magic 8 Ball would give you. But you can edit these, and you can have as many as you want or as few as you want, and they can say anything you want. So it's very versatile in that respect. There's no limit on how many you can have, although I suppose there's a practical limit on what the application would be. And then there's a layout here for the animations. If somebody wanted to make it just, it's pretty smooth the way it spins right now. If somebody wanted to make it even smoother, they could, make this repeating field twice as big. They could create some interstitial animations based on the ones that are here, and they could smooth that out if they wanted to. The last answer given is down here, and that's so that it doesn't give you the same answer twice. If it sees that the same answer was given as the last time, it goes ahead and it does it again. And you get a little bit extra spin, and then it gives you a different answer. That suppression of the opening message, we can turn that on and off here. And then there's one more layout besides this is the fortune teller layout. This is the default, but there's one more, and that's this one here, which is rather stark. So I named this one the Severance layout. And that's really all there is to it. It has a lot of commenting in the scripting, and it has pretty good instructions on how to do everything. Although, I mean, there's really not much to it. So I'll show you in layout mode. You can see that this is just a global variable that's getting set with the answer, and um, that's that one right there. And then this one right here is the one where the image keeps on changing. So, and then there's a button underneath it all that activates the thing to make it work. And that's really all there is to it. So go back to scene 2 here, and we'll hide that menu bar, and this is the default state of the app. Really couldn't be much simpler than that, and hope you enjoy it.